U.S. Drought Monitor, July 30th, 2026. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 40.07% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 38.3% last week. About 115.7 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 114.1 million the week before. This week saw very hot and dry conditions across areas of the western U.S. and the Plains states. Average temperatures soared well above normal levels, which significantly elevated evaporative demand, especially across the upper Midwest, northern Plains, Colorado, and the Texas Panhandle, where conditions deteriorated rapidly. Elsewhere, heavy rains across parts of the Mid-Atlantic, southeast, and south led to widespread improvements on the map in drought-affected areas. In North Carolina, rainfall totals for the week ranged from 3 to 8 inches or more across the state, bringing significant drought improvement. In the Northeast, recent isolated shower activity helped to improve drought conditions. The impacts of the long-term drought, however, continue to affect groundwater conditions in areas of Rhode Island and Massachusetts. In the upper Midwest, drought expanded and intensified on the map, especially across Minnesota and Wisconsin, where flash drought indicators were showing severe to extreme flash drought conditions during the past week. Out west, the Four Corners states continue to receive beneficial monsoonal rainfall, with isolated areas receiving 2 to 4 inches. In portions of Arizona and western New Mexico, precipitation during the past month has been above normal, boosting streamflow and soil moisture levels while improving vegetation health. In the Pacific Northwest, short-term dryness has led to a dip in soil moisture and streamflow levels in areas of western Oregon and Washington. In the Great Basin, recent monsoonal rains have provided some minor relief to drought-affected areas of eastern Nevada. On Puerto Rico, conditions worsened on parts of the island this week. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced each Thursday through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the USDA, NOAA, and NASA. Visit droughtmonitor.unl.edu for more. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more about our work at drought.unl.edu.